We have recently signed an urban runoff MOU between cities and Molten Miguel Water District to memorialize our commitment to saving water and to the environment.
75% of our customers live in HOAs, so it certainly makes sense to really do this targeted outreach to really understand water usage.
So efficiency doesn't just touch on some of the environmental benefits, it really does have a financial benefit to it. We're trying to keep rates low, and we're trying to avoid having to invest in infrastructure if we can, stay efficient.
To South Orange County to talk about their water use efficiency efforts and teach them about some of the best practices and urban runoff reduction and working collaboratively across neighboring water utilities and all the cities that Molten Miguel Water District serves.
We cover, 36 acres is what we manage, and we still have another 60 acres that we don't even touch.
By day, I'm the vice president of a very large HOA management company. It's giving me great insight to prepare me for understanding the importance of water conservation partnerships.
We've definitely aided a lot of our homeowner associations in taking advantage of the turf removal and some of the water saving rebates as well.
Because if we can mitigate runoff, we not only help reduce water usage, but also we can make sure that the health of our oceans and creeks are elevated.
The purpose of the program is to transform front yards from turf to native gardens. The watershed approach to residential landscaping, but it applies to landscapes of any scale, no matter how big or how small.
Even once the drought emergency declaration was over, we did not see a rebound.
So that's $4 million that doesn't get passed on to ratepayers because we're able to keep demand at an efficient level.
We all are working together to serve you. We want to make sure we give you the information, the tools to help you use water efficiently.
This brings education to the people, the HOA folks that are volunteers. They're in their homeowners associations trying to do the best they can with help from professionals, landscapers, management companies, etc.
We definitely promote installing smart controllers that uses actual data. Tells us how much we need to water. Anything we can do to help the association save water and also ultimately save money.
We've launched advanced meter infrastructure to help you understand real-time water usage. We develop customer portals so you can know exactly when and how you're using the water.
When we allow our storm water or irrigation water to scour over our streets and into our storm drains and go untreated to the ocean, the aquatic life in the ocean can suffer.
Making sure that we have reliability, great water quality, sustainability for all of our communities.
We need to work together to eliminate urban runoff pollution.
The cheapest unit of water is the one you don't have to buy.